At the start, they lived far apart, but voice notes and holidays lit the spark. Kat is Greg's dream, sporty, kind and fun. Her laugh is his favourite, but second to none. Always laughing and always full of fun, but when it counts, they're always each other's number one.
I would like to take you back to when this love story began. It started as the best love stories do, on the basketball court. He was an assistant coach, handsome I'm told, but didn't chat much. She was a player, very funny, very loud, very Dundonian. Fast forward 8 years, a date at the most romantic of spots, the fort in Broughty Ferry, was arranged. It went well. There were a few more dates before Kat went back to Abu Dhabi, and somehow you made it work. Greg sent a few voice notes, Kat came home, Greg went out. You met each other's pals and you met each other's families. You, without intending to, fell pretty spectacularly in love.
I'm so proud of you, Catherine. Being your dad could never be described as quiet, uneventful experience. She has grown into a kind, fun-loving, enthusiastic woman who can be relied upon by all that need her. Your ability to positively impact the lives of those around you can be seen in this room. This room is filled with those who love and cherish you, that meet you and decide you're the one to keep in our lives. Not for a moment, but for one to take along with us. That is a testimonial to the woman that you are. I suppose all children want to make their parents proud, and of course most do. The day you were born I was proud, but the day you make me proud.
I have friends from so many chapters of my life here today, and I never take for granted how lucky I am to have so many of you and the fact you're all here today. So thank you for all being my platonic soulmates, for standing by me, laughing with me, and sometimes crying with me. I love you all so much. Greg, firstly, thank you for planning the majority of today. Seriously, if I'd been left it, I'd be standing here in this banging dress, dancing by myself. But what everyone here knows is that you're not just good looking on the outside. On the inside, you're pretty spectacular too. And that's exactly why I fell in love with you.
You're my favourite person and have been since we got together. There are so many things I love about you. You're beautiful, one of the kindest and most generous people I've met, and your ability to make friends wherever you go is amazing. I genuinely feel so lucky to have you in my life. Everything is more fun with you, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life trying to make you as happy as you make me.